This video is to show you how you can use the wireless mic to connect to the speaker. The set consists of the dongle and the jack adapter. Assemble the mic and make sure that the jack adapter is being used, and turn on both the dongle and the mic. Plug the jack at mic 1, which is the MIC1 hole, and pair your dongle and your mic before you can use your mic. Once connected, you can adjust the volume from your mic by using the M volume knob to control the volume.
Hello, 1, 2, 3, test, 1, 2, 3, okay, clear, test, 1, 2, 3.
If you want to purchase your own wireless mic, you can search the product, which is the same brand with the speaker now available at Lazada. Search for Bitomax MCMC U66 wireless or any other UHF wireless mic to get to the other options.